plano mong pumunta ng Egypt. Yan. This video is for you. Hello, my name is Mar and I am a Filipina and my husband is Egyptian, and right now we are planning to visit Egypt soon. So it's been a while since we visited Egypt. That was when I was pregnant, when we just newly married, and that was back in 2019. So it's been really past how many years, like 3-4 years. So anyway, if you're planning to apply for a visa, this video is for you. So if you're Filipina living in UAE, visa application is actually for free, especially if your husband is an Egyptian, and the processing duration is just 3 days. That's what they said there, but actually I got it, like I applied on Monday and then I got it, I got a text message from Emirates Post on Tuesday and it was delivered to me the next day, which is Wednesday. So it's like really totally, it's like 1 day process, but it's like total of 3 days for you to get your passport. And it's completely free, the visa, but the delivery from Emirates Post, it is 15 dirhams. So it is updated now. Before, we used to go to the Emirates consulate in Egypt consulate in Dubai, and we are filling out the form and going there to the counter just to provide everything. But right now everything is different. So the process is you have to download the application form and fill it out sa website ng Egyptian consulate, and then after you fill it out, you have to print it. You have to have a copy of your passport, your husband's passport. I also photocopy my visa here in UAE, and of course 2 picture, updated photo of you with white background, okay? And a photocopy as well of your marriage certificate. So ayun lang, and we paid just 15 dirhams, just 15 dirhams just for Emirates Post for them to deliver it from the consulate to here in my home. So ayun lang. Ayan, super easy na ngayon, and ang ganda na ng ano nila. So kudos to Egyptian consulate kasi you improve a lot. Also, I want to serve this video para, alam mo na, para paringgan ko yung Philippine consulate. Sana free din yung mga other nationalities who has Filipina wife, no? Para hindi na ako nagbayad ng 200, and you are requiring a lot of requirements sa family namin. Plus, meron pa kami bayad na 1,000. Hello! Sana magbago na yung pananaw nyo sa buhay. Char! Sana magbago na yung rules. Yan. Ayun. But if you don't want, wala naman ako magagawa doon. So, yun lang. Suggest lang po. Ayun. Bye!